Hey, what's up? It's Blaze from Blaze AI Films. Welcome to my official full-length course on how to create baby AI music videos, the exact process I use to turn classic hip-hop videos into viral, one-of-a-kind baby versions. You might have seen the crazy results on Instagram or TikTok, but this is the first time I'm breaking it down start to finish with all the little hacks, troubleshooting, and real talk you'll never get from a 5-minute YouTube video. This is not just a quick tutorial. This is a complete, unfiltered course, the same workflow I use for my own business, Blaze AI Films, and the process that's helped me build a following, land clients, and push the boundaries of AI in music visuals. I'll show you how to go from a classic 90s music video to an ultra-creative, high-quality, baby-styled remake using the latest AI tools, manual editing, and a creative mindset. And trust, I'm not leaving out a single step. If you followed my socials, you know my approach is always hands-on, with no fluff and no secrets. So let's get straight into it, and by the end of this course, you'll have the skills to create your own viral baby music videos, your way.